sorry for my mama and them. Survivors girl really get old. Whole gang in the end zone. Not nice in the meetings. Heaven's gate when I get home. Colored palace looking Pantone. About to turn into a phantom. Cameras off, get to flipping lights. She ain't happy with the other guy. Had an argument the other night. I ain't even get to apologize. While I'm in the meetings looking disguised. I'ma show face till I get tired. Don't care about event size. Looking at you through a fisheye. I'm never nice in the meetings. I'm tired, I'm tired, I'm tired, I'm tired, I'm tired.
We here, we can't deny that we here. We here. Woo. And so, knees down for my man. That song, rest in peace to my man. And so, better peace for the 10. On the thumb, everything that we plan.
Huncho, I did it big, you did it kid, you did it kid. Like a J got potty trained, hourglass how body came. Chop him down with the what a name. Know what I'm saying, I'm telling you. Pushing P, Bill Bellamy, trying with a felony.
See the jealousy, the struggle made me a better me. Why you talking, is you paying me? Lamborghini coated candy. If I fuck her, she gon' have a baby on the plan A and the plan B. $250,000 to the nannies, I'm the head of the family.
My mama had to cry for this, my gang had to slide for this.
Pistol P had to die for this, doing time through the wire for this.
Fresh out the bricks to a brick, we stepping outside with this outside. Hannah Montana with grits, that 100 bag gon' make them blitz.
I'm up, I'm rich, look at my she fine and rich. Study the game and I find a glitch. Hustler, I got a mind like Mitch. He not popping, he kinda lit. He not wealthy, he kinda rich.
Ain't tripping, just signing. Meal will split. If it's 50 mil, we'll split. If it's 2 and 1, they'll split. 3 split a G6. D platinum plaques ain't nothing. I stand over and take a.
I stand over and take a. This 100,000 on the wrist. Get the money, never politic. Flow seats, Atlanta versus the Knicks.
Young with the birds, cow pits. In the Yadium, Sadie Benz. We don't play with him. He got friends. He know me go them. Knock off limbs. Yeah, we did it, kid to the M's. Ryan presidential with the rims.
Helping Ye find Kim and the black double limb Benz. No new friends. No boo with my twins.
Remember we kicked that down, I'ma cut it and let us in. Born to win, I committed sin with a see-through lens. I filled up all my pockets, now you get a pocket to pick.
Thank God I'm alive and rich. No lie, I survived the trench. Pay my tithes, living marvelous. That's the reason I don't talk of this.
Hand bit it like a carpenter did it. Shooting bullets out the cars for this. Tattoos and the scars for
Yo.
this.
What up, chat? What up, chat? Good morning. You lost your account. How the hell did you lose your account? Why is this headset not fitting my head? Why is this not focused? Why is my mouse dying? This is not a good start to a Monday. What up, chat? You miss me? Yeah, I miss you too, man. It's been a long weekend. This weekend felt so long. I don't know because I was out all weekend or what, but it was the longest weekend of my life. started at now. Good morning, chat. What's up? What's up? What's up? I try to find my Zoom tools. Okay, there it is. All right, cool. So today, chat is I think it's a pretty normal day today. You have not much going on. You only have there's really no folders here at all. You have tomorrow you have CB consumer confidence, and then Wednesday you have Fed Chair Powell speaks. Yeah, this got a pretty chill week. Thursday, I think we went through this already. I think we said how Friday was the only thing you gotta worry about because you had core PC price index. So that's Friday. However, for the next couple of days here, it should be a pretty chilled and relaxed day. I mean, if you take a look at price here, gold for the weekly, as you can see, is pretty strongly bearish here. The daily is pretty strongly bearish as well. You for the weekly, you actually close bearish within the range that we mentioned last week. So you closed below last week, and with us closing below last week, you would expect this week's candle to drive through, or last week's candle to drive through. It did drive through. It didn't tap our target all the way through, but obviously this week opened up Sunday, and the first thing they did was tap our weekly target. So officially 1 week later, we tapped the target on a dot. Price did come down to fill those ranges to the left hand side, right? Price is bearish, even though the FOMC, right? That they was it Wednesday we had FOMC? Yeah, right. Even after the day we pushed up on Wednesday. I think what happened there was prices created at the top wick, and then for the rest of the week we just continue to drive down. But yeah, I am pretty bearish today, and I do want sells today. And if I was looking for sells today, I'm probably waiting for this 1 hour candle here to close up 34 seconds here. So let's see, if we close them 34 seconds here below these ranges to the left hand side, we can have some sell stops coming down to fill the rest of the range as we're closing below this range here. All right, and then we'll look to come down to fill the rest of the range, tap them like 1635, and then maybe even runners coming down towards 1628. But let's see, looking like stops going to be around 30 pips. That's a 30 pip stop. Wow. And then TP is going to be around like 45 pips there if you do close below. All right, not bad. GJ is crazy right now. It's absolutely crazy. Like, these are huge pushes, man. Huge pushes per candle. This past 5-minute candle that just opened up was literally 20 pips. Yeah, for those that like don't like GJ, now you're probably gonna like it again. Now the ones that said, oh yeah, I don't want to trade GJ no more, you guys are the ones that are gonna be like, oh yeah, GJ is my favorite pair now. I love trading GJ. No. I remember when GJ was rough for the past couple months, and you were like, GJ was not. I'm taking it off my list. No, you're about to add it back to your list. I know you guys. Insane. Like that push there that flipped was 23 rips. Insane. So your stops are massive. All right, let's lock at a gold here, chat. I'm looking to add sell stops on the breakout lows here. If we can add this in time. Sell stops at 1639.067. Sell stops at 1638.98. My broker. And stop loss is a previous 1 hour high. And TP is 1635. Got sell stops here, chat. I can zoom in here. Got sell stops there that just got activated there. So nice. Got some sells here, chat. A stop loss is the previous kind of high. TP is down here for roughly 41 pips. All right. Wait for a top wick. Got a closure below the range, right? So now we should come down for the rest of the range, which takes you down here towards 1635. $34.949. Stop loss is the previous kind of high for 1642.704. Yeah, I want to speak more about it. Yeah, so early on today, I initially wanted 30 closure, this one at 630, but there wasn't enough of a top wick for me, really. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour candle. So the 1 hour candle obviously closed there. This is what I was looking at. So closure below. As we're breaking back into this range to the left hand side, you should be able to come down to fill the range, coming down towards 1634 here. So I'm attempting to take a sell here, looking to fill this range coming down here. All right, so that's the sell that we're in, the trade that we're in. The BE point is probably gonna be looking left, this support to the left hand side, like anywhere at 1637, 215. Because if you look left there, you basically have all clean traffic really until like minimum 1638. But anywhere in this zone here is when you have rejections. So at this point, we'll want to go risk free, taking advantage of that range to the left, and then TP just down next zone. All right, no runners today really. Well, I guess you can say there's a runner, but it's just from zone to zone. I'm just looking to take the zone here. So I don't know what's gonna happen down here really. It's a very strong support down here at 35, so I just want a TP there. All right, and the stop loss is obviously the previous kind of high. So in this case, it's around 36 pips or 35 pips. Fat stops or bigger stops than usual, which means smaller lots, obviously. They opted the record here. 106, 4532, August, September, 878. Keep going. All right, let's go ahead and update this trade here. If the volume was up, I was like, what happened to my music? All right. Took more job for a trade. For you. Chat, Q4 is coming up. I have like 4 days left where I can actually pop. Like Q4 probably gonna decrease lot sizes. I don't know to what, but I think we're gonna decrease into like maybe a 10 max per trade. Cause that's what I usually do, right? Q4 I lower my lot size, and then for Q1 we'll look to increase lot sizes again for next year. All right, what trade is this again? This was it break a current count low? Yeah, right. Current count low, break a low. Gold sells, breakout, current higher low. Yeah, because the wick fill, the low would have been down here and it wasn't a flip. Nice. And then 1 hour time frame, and then I went 15 lines. I guess you can say half. No, you're kind of around. I guess you can say half. All right, cool, perfect. Nice top wick here. Obviously, if you break the highs, this trade will be invalid, and then price, you'll probably see price be able to pop up here, but this likely could be a top wick. Once price flips again, you'll see this thing come down pretty nicely, coming down towards the bottom of the range, like so. All right. The reason why that was a fine top wick for me was because that was like most recent resistance, so I was fine with that top wick there. In that case, let's grab more water. All right, let's look up GJ for the meantime while we're in this trade. Also, chat, managing risks in a losing situation here. What we'll probably look to do is just manage risk off of the 1 hour / 30 here. It's a 1 hour trade, right? So if the 1 hour closes above, we'll manage risk, right? That's how we're gonna manage risk. In the meantime, though, GJ here is pretty nice. You have a resistance here formed at 154.861, and then you have support formed here at the 153.517 mark. So this is the range we're in right now. I believe the daily bias today is technically bearish, right? But there won't be any sells to me until you probably break below here. If you can break below here today, I'll take sells coming down. Sells below at 153.350, coming down towards next support would be pretty lovely. As for buys, probably just buys above here at 155.755, or maybe if you get a closure above 154. But I'm looking to just look for buys above 155.755 here for range twos. Even though you ever have a range two, right? But above here, I guess, would be valid for me. So then you have this mid range going up, but these ranges, chat, are massive today. So just be careful with your lot sizes. You know, every trade is gonna be like a minimum. You're gonna have a minimum 34 pip stop, minimum, and that's a very small stop on GG today. So just be on the lookout for that. Yeah, range of G is so big. We can't do much about that though. We can't really control like how big the ranges are, right? It's just kind of what we gotta deal with. Let's see. If price create a high here on this 1 hour candle, could we move off the current kind of high? We'll be saving around. I think we'll be saving around 12 pips. It's not bad. What up, Roman? My bad. I feel like I haven't read chat today, chat. A little off Monday for some reason. Everything is kind of seems off. Update trades taken. You're right. Awesome. Friday. All right, cool. It's just the weather. Yeah, I know. It's gonna fall weather. Things are changing. I like the weather though. I like fall weather. I think summer's overrated. During the summer, you can't put your fist together. All you gotta wear really is a fucking t-shirt. There's no fits you can put together. You know, you can't layer your fits. It's like, and it's just hot. But during the fall, it's like perfect. Not hot, not cold. It's just perfectly fine. Put a hoodie on. You can put a hoodie under a jacket. You can layer stuff up. You know, that's if you're from like my ends. If you're from like Miami, that's a if you're from Miami, it's hot all year. So that's a different story. That's a different lifestyle too. Winter here in UK? Yeah, I like winter. I mean, honestly, chat, if I were to rate my seasons, I put winter as like second last. But winter is only good before January, to be honest. Like winter is good until Christmas. After Christmas, it's like, all right, well, what now? Like, what do you do now? You know what I mean? I don't know. Winter is depressing after January. From January to March in Toronto, it's just like, yo, when can I stop snowing? Because sometimes it snows till like April. Is Enter 4 still downloadable in Canada? Yes, it is. It is. It is. Well, it's not downloadable in Canada. Canada. If you have it already downloaded, you can go in your app store and you can repurchase it or re-download it basically. If you don't have MT4 MT5, then you're probably just gonna have to change up your you might gotta do a C-Trader or something. I never use C-Trader, so I don't know how it works. I don't know how it looks even, to be honest. But I mean, I'm not using C-Trader until I have to use C-Trader, right? I'm gonna use MT5 until the day I die. As long as you have it downloaded on your iCloud, man, you should be going on any phone, any app. So. At least you can still use the app chat, right? You want chat? I think I'm gonna manage risk here, and I'm thinking moving stops to the current kind of high. Because if you came down to re-break the lows, did you re-break the pre-story low? Is this like even an official break? Let's go on 30. Yes, on Blueberry it did. Okay, how about this? If it comes down to re-break the 30 low, we'll look to move our stop loss down to the current high. So it'll be a 23 pip stop instead of a 35. And with that being said, you would look to, obviously your risk becomes a lot smaller, right? So technically you could have went full risk, but what did you do? Nice, just rejected. The 1 hour day close above the range, above the most recent resistance. Don't get me wrong, but your stops and everything today is just gonna be very chopped, man. Like you're gonna have to go with like a 1 lot, or I'm gonna have to go with like a 1 lot. You know, 30-minute support because a higher time frame. You do have a support at 1637, but that's where BE point is. It's not we're ignoring it. It's just we're looking at the higher time frame. We always do, right? Power states that the 1 hour will take over the 30-minute time frame. You can break 30-minute highs, 15-minute highs, but still respect 1 hour highs to drive down since it's a higher time frame, right? It's not like we're ignoring it. It's just we're looking at the higher time frame like we always do. This trade chat is 1 hour, so 80% off the 1 hour time frame. Breakout 76%. And then current higher low is 82%. So this exact trade here, 1 hour breakout, current higher low, is 80% winning trade for us on stream this year. So it's a pretty high winning trade. Not 100, but it's pretty high up there, right? All right, chat. I think it's best if we can just move stops to the current kind of high here. So moving stops to the current 1 hour high. So instead of risking 35 pips, we're only risking here probably 20. I do that. 20, 25, 23 pips basically. Just managing risk. B point won't be until you probably tap like 637, 620. What did we get there? Like 10? 9? I got like 9, I think. I didn't close anything yet. Obviously. Yeah, this risk now becomes a lot smaller. Especially the fact that we went like a little lower, or I went a little lower than full 15. All right, so this becomes a very small risk trade. I'm gonna put this here, I guess. This is a new 15, right? Oh, no 15, no bottom. It's not like it's the last 15. If it was the last 15 here of the 1 hour candle, this is probably when I look to move stocks to break even or close, whatever it is, right? But this is not the last 15 of the 1 hour candle and 30 minutes still open. It's not that crucial to me. So I'm just gonna manage off the 30/1 hour, right? If a 30-minute candle closes bullish above 1643.20, then yeah, we can manage risk. But for that to happen, we need to close the bullish above, right? Because then that indicate that we are rejecting the support and we're closing back above the range. But as long as we close bearish below or even bullish below, this thing is valid to just drive down still. Yeah. You really gotta use a small time for today. It's literally impossible to use like anything past the 30, 15. Today's K's birthday? It is? Yeah, happy birthday, K. I know it closed above most recent. I definitely knew that. It was just stops and just everything's a bit too wide here for my liking today. Yeah. Stops have been like 50 pips there, or 60. I think stops have been 60 pips there for that trade. about the 4H. Talking about this could be a bottom wick. Yeah, if the 1 hour closes bullish here above this ADM candle closes bullish, then you can say this could be a 4 bottom wick to drive back up, because then the 4 count will flip, right? But with the 1 hour closing below, take the probability that it should come down to fill the range. So that's why my sells are here. Way more realistic skating game. Yeah, I never heard of that game. Yo, Nav first. Stop lying. Yo, Nav, you were here on Friday. Where'd you go Friday? What's the best NT4 alternative? Honestly, bro, C Trader is probably your best bet. I could be wrong though. I never touched C Trader, but I'm guessing like if I were to migrate, I'll probably try out C Trader. The one thing I like about C Trader though is it looks cleaner than MT5. I know people say it looks complicated. It doesn't look that complicated. I mean, I don't know how it looks to be honest, but I gotta see. But look, doesn't look that complicated, man. Looks pretty cool. I'm pretty sure you can remove some tabs, take out things you don't like. Not that. Like, it looks pretty straightforward, to be honest. Looks like MT5, just a little cleaner. I'll prefer that though. Yeah, 12 seconds for a closure. Looks like it's an close respecting. Therefore, we're not gonna manage risk because there's nothing we can do, right? We're closing doji basically, or bearish doji, bullish doji. But yeah, we said if we're gonna close the bubble, it looks to close half or close full. Didn't do that. 1 hour count still open. Therefore, we're still in. Well, we already did the manage risk. Wish I play. All eyes on me. Switch brokers. Why would I switch brokers? Wait, blueberry. All right, nice third topic. Okay, so this trade here, we already managed risk. We already moved stop loss to the current high. It was once the previous high, right? But then we moved to the current high because you create a new low. Managing risk. So this is already like we already did our part managing risk. Next part to managing risk is gonna be off of this 30 candle probably, or sorry, the 1 hour candle. Since the 30 candle already closed, so off of the 1 hour, if the 1 hour were to close bullish above here in 28 minutes, we'll manage risk. If it closes below, respecting, we'll let it rock still, obviously. But yeah, that's the next step to managing risk, right? So that's how we're doing this trade here. Managing risk. Logically, not emotionally. Huge difference. Yeah, Andrew X is just honestly, it's not even like not even there shouldn't be any energy to put towards it. Right? All we gotta do really, our only focus is just managing risk. You have any experience? Yeah. I think I was I think I was made in the lab. If gold comes back to B, you're gonna close. That's fine. I think gold comes back to the BE. It's gonna be the flip of the 1 hour candle. I'm just gonna match this with the 1 hour. Because if the 1 hour closing below here, probably just shows that this thing should continue down, right? So that's where I trust is really, with the fact that we close back into the range and we're expecting price to come down to further range. What was the original risk here? I think the original risk was up here, right? What was this? 5,200, and then it becomes 3,500 now. Nice. Next candle you have is in the 11 minutes, which at the 15. Yeah, where's Wix 9 today? I knew I was missing something. I was like, where's Wix? Good GJ. 1 hour candle flip bullish, drove up. Stops were massive, but target did get tapped for 80 pips. Wow. Yeah, I might not even touch GJ at all today, to be honest, chat. It's just stops are just wild. Look at this 5 minute candle. This thing opened up maybe 4 minutes ago. Moved 40 pips. This reminds me of gold during the start of COVID. Remember that? Gold is about the same. That was the last time I seen price so volatile, when the 5 minutes moved like literally 80 pips at a time. That was like gold in like 2020 April. I think GJ too at the time too. Just pretty volatile too. But I haven't seen GJ this volatile in a while. Did I guys stop out here? Oh yeah, I did. Nice. Yeah, chat. Stops got hit there. Price came up. I don't think it re-broke the highs. I think we just got hit with spread. I don't know. It did re-break the highs. But yeah, I'm on this trade here. We manage risks, not bad. Move stops to the current 1 hour high, right? Instead of the previous kind of high. So this is only like a 23 pip stop instead of like a over 35 it was initially. Not bad. Manage risk is there, but I think at one point we did get 10. But B point for me was just gonna be off the next major support, which is at 37. So yeah, got B there. I mean, took a small loss there. And then string trade. But there's a little streak. Close half at didn't close half. Let's push it up. Negative 22. Nice. Yeah, so obviously now you probably would want a 1 hour closure. Respect the support. If the 1 hour closes below support, this bullish candle, you can take a sell stop on a breakout lows, but for that to happen, you need a 1 hour breakout lows first, all right? Okay, now I'm out. Yeah, I think now you would officially be out, even if you got spreads. Yeah. Cause look, if technically speaking, you didn't break the 1 hour highs yet, so it's still valid to a certain extent. But if the 1 hour does close bullish here, you can say, okay, well, 1 hour closes bullish here, the 4 hour candle could start to reject there. Could start to reject the support to the left. It starts to flip bullish off the 4H, right? So Yeah, I'm out the trader. If you guys kept normal stops, then I hope it plays out for you. But we manage risk. Yeah, who had current previous kind of stops though? Visitors still in? Nice. Still in? Nice. Why are you guys majority in? You see, I'm not complaining. But if it was the opposite, it was vice versa, you guys would be complaining right now. Don, how didn't you get hit, Don? How? Order 500. Not bad, not bad. Why is not let you buy events for USD? Try PayPal. For some reason, Stripe was acting up. That happened to a couple people. Did you want B? No, I didn't. I did not. I think I got like almost 9. I think I got 10 there at one point, but it's not so like I'll say it all the time. It's not about like how many pips you're in profit by to move stocks to B. It's more so about what levels prices to happen, right? In this case, I saw clean traffic until like maybe these levels still left, so I didn't go B. I mean, it was close, came very close, but not B. Can we stop? You have no stop loss? Nice. Call broker for positions. I was trying usually it's not often where we manage risk like this though, because usually I'll just put the trust into the higher time frame, right? But because like if we didn't move stops to B or to the current high, we'll probably would have just waited for the 1 hour candle close to manage risk instead, right? Because the 1 hour close is bullish like this. This next 1 hour candle opens up, breaks the lows, you can take the sells again. Some be the seller replay on the 1 hour time frame with the ADM volume, and you look to fill this range coming down for 30 pips. Not a bad range, but technically it's still bearish. Didn't break the highs, broke current highs twice, but first highs didn't break yet. Honestly, the whole point of stops is to just have it there so you could it's just to have it there so you don't blow your account. But in reality, I think Ted mentioned it before too. Like you don't need stops and trades. It's just there for you to protect your account in case price hits this point. Like you don't want to blow your entire account on a trade, right? But if you have your trust into my analysis, if you're expecting price to drive a certain direction with the trend, like there shouldn't be any stops. Is what he was trying to say on the streams once. I always use stops though. Yeah, to prevent huge losses. Overall, like technically you have no stops. Like what's the risk? No one's gonna talk to you about RR. Honestly, we should just start doing that. Have no stops on the screen. Just have stops, and no one's gonna talk about yo, but your RR is not positive. Your RR is not a 1-to-1. I said put the stops for the previous 1 hour candle. I didn't tighten it because of pips. Not because of pips. Because if you're coming down to, if you made a low already and then you create a high and you came down to re-break the lows, then as long as price, or technically speaking, if you're breaking the lows, this is your new 1 hour high. It's a 1 hour trade, right? So the 1 hour shouldn't re-break the highs technically before it drives down. So that's why you manage risk there. If you're a funny, definitely stops. So yeah, that's another thing. I'm talking about the majority. If you're funny, that's a different story. I joined Discord, but it says to follow to send messages to whom I can send requests to become your Discord group member. Wait a minute. Talking about the check mark. I'm trying to figure something out with. That sounds lit. Yeah, but I've heard the sound way too many times. When is news? Oh shit. Sorry. Yeah, quarter 4 coming up here, man. What are you guys gonna do? I know what we're gonna do. Quarter 4 coming up. You're gonna see a change in volume. Most likely. It may not come off the rip, but you'll definitely see a change of volume. Volatility. Might see it come November. Might not be October. I think last year October wasn't bad. It was pretty decent, the prices. I think things got really bad though. Maybe like start of December. Like end of November, second half of November, first half of December is when things got really bad. Not bad as in bad, but just as in volatility. There was no volume last year during end of quarter 4, right? $15 closed above. No chart November. Is this what I have here? Yeah, it's all this left, right? Okay, cool. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. Hmm. Where you think gold will go? Well, we gotta see first. We gotta see how this 1 hour closes first there, right? Up MT4? Nothing. You just can't download MT4 or MT5. I don't know why people are just saying MT4. Isn't it just MT5 too? You can't search for both apps in the App Store, right? You're still in gold? Nice. Yeah, if the 1 hour closes respecting here, it should be still valid here. If it closes above, that will suggest managing risk, right? Still pretty bearish. Yo, MM, are you back? Or you're still in uni? Yeah, MM, I know, for real. It's like it's chopped. It's chopped. It's chopped. It's chopped. I don't know why I got so chopped the past like couple months. What's your advice on withdrawals? I guess like whenever you prefer, whenever you want. I don't know, once a month, twice a month. I don't know. It's up to you. Twice, it's like once every 2 months. Depends on you and your profits, right? Or when you want to pay yourself. If you want to treat it like a job, I guess like every 2 weeks you can pay yourself a little bit. But it comes down to how much. It just depends on you, really. There's no rule to withdrawing. You can withdraw it whenever you want, however you want. What is C Trader? You could. It's another platform to trade on. People messaged me like, "Yo, Don, it's end up trading. You know, they're taking on to four. No, it's not. It's just the platform is not as non-tradable on, but Forex will still be around. Forex will still be around." Yeah, exactly. It's a balance of growing capital, increase losses, and take out profits. Yeah. It's not a finance system that works for you, really. What's your view long-term of gold? I don't really predict gold anything past a week or a month. You can't. Like what we predicted this week, since last Sunday. I think I tweeted it too. We tweeted gold was gonna drive through until like 16. What did I say? I think I said 6 and 17. Yeah, because the clean travel to the left. I even did a breakdown video, but I think then it only came down to 16.26, which did tap the support to the left. But the whole idea was that you close below this range here, therefore you should continue down towards this range here, tapping like 1630, right? So that was a range we're looking to take advantage of, and obviously price came down, tapped it, then started to reject. But yeah, like I don't really predict anything past like a week. I just predict the next candle, just like anything else. Like if we're taking a seller on this 1 hour candle, what are we predicting? We're predicting the next 1 hour candle to drive down, right? Which is this one right here, to drive through. That's what we're predicting. But it's just the next candle. It's never really like what I expect to happen over the next couple of months, right? It's just the next. I gotta see, because what we knew this month was that the fact that you had no bottom wick here, but price still drove down. So as long as you close below this range to the left here at the end of the month, next month's candle should likely drive down to tap like 1580. Looking left, it should be able to mirror that traffic to the left hand side, tap like 1580, like 1600 ish levels, right? That's what we're looking at. Who's still in, by the way? Look, you guys are looking decent. If it closes where it is right now, looking pretty good. Having a PP like yours, my PP, this thing was taken off a film camera, so go get a film camera. Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice 1 hour wick fill on GJ. How big are stops? Almost 100 pips there? 91? Yeah. Lovely. Lovely. You see, price action states that you're closing above this range here, you should be able to fill the range. However, your stops are massive. Absolute insane. Super trade is clean. Yeah, it's pretty clean trade. It's you can say 1 it's a fake out or 2 it's a breakout, but it's pretty clean trade. Just didn't play out this time. Where is it? Yeah, it's a pretty clean trade. It was like a 80% weighting trade. Well, now it's a 78% weighting trade, but still, it was once a 78% weighting trade. Yeah, something was wrong with my PC this morning. I couldn't really like start my stream in time. I don't know what was wrong with it, but I'm looking to get a new PC though for the 40K series. I'm trying to find someone that can build it for me. The 40K. When's the 490 coming out? October, right? October 8 or something? October 12. Yeah, I'm trying to get that 490. I wonder if I can get my hands on one though. Better yourself. I studied tech. Who said I studied tech? I know how to build a PC. I built one before, but I don't want. I'm too lazy to build one again. I'm just not pay someone to build it for me with all the parts I want. GBPJPY, it's pretty clean. It's just stops are massive. If you can ignore the fact that stops are massive today, then yeah, definitely take it. Right? This range going up gives you like a nice 120 range going up. Pretty decent. Off the 1 hour candle. The stops are very massive, man. 100 pip stops. A very high probability, if not for the wick, just to fill his range, you're going up, which is around 37 pips. What are your stops then, Beto, right? It's just very tough. You're looking at current count stops, obviously, but it's just like even a current count stop would be minimum. Maybe you get a current count stop, it's not bad, but let's see. 40 seconds left. Let's see. Let's see if we close first. Let's say gold's on closers above the range through here, chat. So if you're still there, you can look to manage risk here. Maybe. Give it 30 seconds here. We don't know how it's gonna close it, right? Is it on chat today? I know, bro. It's like the weekend came, it's just they forgot about everything. Richard's the opposite of the loss. Why? Oh no, 1 hour close respecting. Damn. Alright, chat. 1 hour candle close respecting the resistance here. Respecting the range here. So if this thing breaks the lows, you can look to drive through here to fill the rest of the range. Tapping like 1635 here. That isn't too bad. That is not too bad. Just you probably need a 1 hour start play. Damn, that is a nice bomb. Look on GJ. Thing with GJ chat is just stops are wild, man. That's it. Like look at this bottom wick. This is perfect. Thing is almost 70 pips. Yeah. If he has a trade today, farewell, soldier. Farewell. That's a 70 pip bottom wick. On paper. Doesn't look at like looking at 7 pip stops isn't too great, but technical from a technical perspective, it's pretty clean. If this is like a 10 pip bottom wick, this would be a perfect buy stop here. The flip of the candle, because then you just flip and float range minimum, and with TP wick fill. But unfortunately, it's 70 pips. It's a good day if people are looking to hyper scalp. You know, the hyper scalpers, they'll probably be eating today. Buy sells every 5-minute candle. This day we can flip your account. That's what they say. Yeah, this 1 hour counter here respected this resistance here. If you flip bearish here, technically speaking, you can look to flip bearish and drive through. 15 closed bearish, respecting. Obviously broke the highs, but with the 1 hour candle respecting and no bottom wick, if this thing flips bearish here, this range going down isn't too bad. I initially wanted to sell a replay, which is the breakout lows at 1638 again. But if the 1 hour candle is closing respecting the resistance, you shouldn't re-break the highs if you want to drive through here for the bond range. Touch the small lots. I mean, you can. You definitely can. I can definitely go like a 1 lot or something, but it's, or not even. I think I can go like a 3 lot, but at that point, there's no point. Just do the opposite what Don says, and you'll be alright. Well, that's why. I mean, if you did the opposite what we said this year, then you would have had 106 losses and 33 wins. My guy. When you use fixed loss, that's the fixed percentage risk per trade. I use both. My trades are on average like maybe I think around like 1 to 2% per trade. But when I'm looking at risk, I'm looking at just percentage risk overall of my FX like of all my FX funds put aside, right? I'm looking at 1 to 2% per trade regarding that. But of the account, it's gonna be a lot more. It's gonna be like 3, 4, whatever it is, right? That last year I think I was around 2.something%, but overall it's like around 3 or 4 of the account size. But when I'm looking at risk, I never look at account risk. I look at just overall risk in general. Drop you outside. You know, a lot of people can talk really, but I don't know, man. I mean, we have a spreadsheet of stream trades, so. I don't know, man. Weird. Strange. Chat, I can't wait to be 33. Wonder if I'll be the same. $33? Yeah, it trolls at 33. 33 plus. You probably didn't get time though because of that. You probably got time though because it's just if you actually watch the streams and not just like come here every like 2 weeks and just ask a question just to cut, then you probably know the answer to that, brother. You know? I mean, if I were to copy, this wouldn't be my record this year. I can tell you that. Cause these are all like trades docked, right? From like January to like September, every day since January. And like we made the spreadsheet in January 1st, like our January 10th was the first trade, right? So ever since January 10th, we added the spreadsheet. It wasn't like a new spreadsheet we've had. So for you to say replicating someone else's trades is until there's proof. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I just relax. $33? $33? Chat, this 1 hour candle didn't, no, it did. It's a bullish candle, right? So this 1 hour candle, technically speaking, it should be popping up. It's 1 hour candle, so it doesn't matter if it breaks the highs or not. It's a bullish candle, right, at the end of the day. But if this thing flips bearish here, while still respecting this resistance, or closes bearish at this resistance, maybe on a 30-minute candle, we can take sales at 8:30. Maybe 8:15 if you get bearish candle closure, but I'm looking at, yeah, maybe 8:15 actually. Because if you close bearish here, respecting that resistance, right, rejecting this range here, then high chance this next 15 could likely drive through. Foot bomb the range. Yeah, look at that GJ range. It was clean, right? The stops are massive, bro. 65 pip stops? Hell no. But like that's what I mean though. It's not really about like pips chat. It's not really, it's about price action in general. Price action here shows that this 1 hour candle closed above, and it should be able to come out the photo range, which is around 35 pips, 37 pips there. That was a range fill, but obviously it's not a trade I'm looking at take. Stops are massive, right? You have a short next to USD, nice. Yeah, I'm waiting for this 15 to close. I want to see if we can close bearish here, respecting. So if the 1 hour is respecting here, just resistance here, right? It's not really closing above. If this thing flips on the 1 hour and the 15 closes bearish, it means that we're finding resistance, confirm resistance, and then this next 15 will likely pop down at 8:15. Did I add this? Did I add this? No, I did. Okay, nice. 33 losses. What's the record? September was 8-8. Oh, I mean, where's Wix today, yo? I give us that text message. No reply. I think he said he's I think he has a holiday today, I think. I think he said he has a holiday. He might not come. Wait, is it a hurricane in Miami? Is there actually? It's coming? Oh fuck. I did not know that. That's probably why he's not here. How bad is it? You're leaving on Tuesday? Yeah, we're gonna go. Wait, is it hitting? Like, where is it hitting though? Why is there a center? Is there a center? How often does the hurricane come for you guys? Over here in Toronto, the only thing we gotta worry about really is a tornado. Nothing, and it really comes like once every 5 years. Damn. Yeah, natural disasters are scary, bro. Oh yeah, and earthquakes. We get earthquakes too, but barely. Gold's playing games. Yeah, this 15 is gonna close, or just close bullish here above. There's really nothing you can do here really on gold right now. May not be ending coming for a while. Yeah, you do have the COMEX open here, and you have no news state too, so I don't think we'll have a big effect on price. But with the COMEX open, if the COMEX candle decides to with this 15 closing bullish here, if the COMEX candle at 820 closes bullish above this range to the left, this resistance to the left, you can see the next 5 probably pop up towards like 1643 here. But the thing about comments from your chat is that I don't know how, like, obviously we've been looking at the comments channel since like January or February, but we don't know how often it plays out during the quarter 4. So that's why like we spent the whole year sample sizing it, right? And we're not just gonna get into it just because we don't know how often it plays out during quarter 4 versus the rest of the quarters. Quarter 2 is pretty nice. Quarter 3 got a little slow. But quarter 3 also had a lot of news. But then quarter 4 is coming up now. Yeah, just insane. Might be a day for me, chat. I don't know. Let's see. Let's say 8:30 comes and looks here. Damn, hope y'all are safe though in Miami. Might be a day. Is that imposter? I came late today. I don't know. I had issues with my PC earlier, so I wasn't gonna stream. I was like, fuck, I might not stream, but then it just fixed. I'm like, okay, well, it just ruined my mood. The fucking warning. Half the make withdrawals. Every 2 months or every month and a half. It depends. It's only on Monday, right? Emotional trader? No, that 1 hour candle wasn't. That 1 hour candle was pretty clean trade. I'll take that again tomorrow if I seen it. No. It just happened to be so we hopped on like 6:45 and then like the next trade came out at 7 a.m. The 1 hour flip. Which I still believe with this 1 hour kind of respect and resistance here. This thing flips bearish, it can still look to drive through. It's either that or you need a bearish closure on 30 or something, right? And the flip would be valid. Let's see if it closes bearish on 30 here. Yeah, the range is there. It'll be a 4 pip range going down. Let's see. I'll wait 10 minutes here. Let's see. Because then you gotta wait for the 4 hour candle close up here. If it doesn't come at 8:30, you gotta wait for a 9 a.m. candle close, which is the 4 hour candle close. Yeah, if the 4 hour candle closes, I guess you can see if the 4 candle closes bearish, the next 4 hour could drop down at like 9:15, 9:30, but I don't know. Let's see. Good chat. I actually joined a hockey thing. Like I actually, like my whole life I've been wanting to play hockey, and I finally put myself in the league, like ice hockey. Because growing up I couldn't afford that shit. You know how expensive hockey was growing up? You cannot afford hockey growing up if you're just like a middle class, you know, or like just like a mid class growing up. Like you cannot afford hockey, bro. Hockey was mad expensive, especially like hockey rep. Over here you call it like AA, AAA and stuff, but that stuff was expensive. Like some parents pay like 80K a year for hockey. 80 grand for one kid to play in the league. If they want to, you know, make it out and make it to the NHL, obviously, but those leagues are expensive. Even like a you know, it's. But I'm 22 now. I mean, I know I'm not gonna make no league or anything, but at least I can play. So it has like, it's cool because it's like a beginner friendly league. So they teach you how to play, teach you how to skate. I know how to skate, but they teach you the basic stuff, and then you have 10 weeks of like games, and then you have playoffs. It's gonna be sick. I'm gonna see if I can put like a GoPro on my like helmet or something, and like show you guys how it looks. It'd be cool. A GoPro or something attached to the helmet. Pretty fire. For like vlog footage. That's even in the hockey league. Yeah. You're a national inline hockey player? Inline. Rollerblade hockey. Yeah, I'm trying to play ice. I played rollerblade before. I have my background has them. You guys asked my USD CAD, USD JPY. I'm sorry, but I'm not locked into those pairs. I'm only looking at GG and Gold. Yes, I saw Speed playing hockey against that man. Yeah. That's mad funny. Yo, free Speed ban. You guys banned on YouTube. Yeah, it's mad funny.
Remember, he scored his goal, I think, in the first 2 minutes.
Yeah.
We are underway.
Bro,
This is not going to be a nice
KSI, fucking
Remember, he scored
look.
his goal, I think, in the first 2 minutes.
Yeah.
We are underway.
This is not going to be a nice game. Oh,
KSI's on the floor. Speed is celebrating. First blood has gone to Speed.
who isn't athletic? It's open. Focus.
He's fast though.
True.
I don't know if he's fast every round slow, but yeah, he looks pretty fast.
Just get water. Have
on the
water.
field.
That's it. Hydrate yourself.
Chris MD against Theo Baker here, but Speed is in.
Oh, he's done it though. Oh, keep going.
Where's the part where he got a yellow card and he's right here?
You see his face when he finds out.
Oh,
Look.
He's taking his shirt off.
The ref is in trouble. Clattenburg, get protection on Clattenburg ASAP. Seriously, we
He
need to
caught
protect
offside.
Mark. He's a national treasure. Chris MD is playing bodyguard right now. Chunks is pointing to the linesman's flag.
He's
Speed,
mad
I hate
funny,
to break
bro.
it to you, mate. You probably could have scored that if you just held back a little bit.
It was Speed.
Speed, you've got to get this ball, mate. You've got to touch it
He's
at some point.
onside.
Bursting down the right side. Speed is exactly what you want
He
for a
is
right
fast.
winger.
Take him on Speed. Go on.
Up against Dyson here. No, sorry, it's not tight.
Where do you score at? Over here?
He just wants to get rid of the ball as quick as possible, it
He
seems.
scored here, right? Yeah, he
JJ
scored here.
very composed today.
Yeah. This is the JJ I remember.
Up against Speed. It's not
Oh.
bad for Speed, to be fair.
He goes to ground and he wins.
Game is Speed onside. Speed!
Oh, he's
It's not
offside.
going to count.
Yo.
It's not going to count. Does he
He is
know?
offside.
How much are the tickets to this?
And neither
I
do
don't
the
think he knows.
Suns.
He doesn't know.
Oh,
How much are the tickets to that? This looks mad packed. This is like how big is the stadium? Like where do they even play? They have like 2 million watching on a live stream, and then you have people at the event. So it's $20. Oh, that's cool. That was mad cool. Yeah, maybe one day DFs to be there. I know Marcos watches soccer, but I know damn well he cannot play soccer. Or football, my bad, football. I know damn well I'll beat Marcos in a football game. Don't tell him I said that. It's a secret. Ice tea. P. No, I don't think Wickstown's come to the chat, honestly. I think he's dealing with the hurricane stuff. So he's probably just like, I don't know. I'm not sure what's happening. I hit him up. I hope he's fine, but or he could be sleeping. He could just be sleeping. I ain't scared no hurricane. No shit, Wicks would do, to be honest. You just drive straight through the hurricane. You'll let what else pass it through, facts. All right, 1 minute for a closer here, chat. I don't think we're gonna get anything until like 9:15, 9:30 here, to be honest, guys. If I'm keeping it real with you, I don't think we're gonna get anything here because it looks like gold is gonna be closing bullish on its 30 candle, and then you have 30 minutes left until the 4 count close. And then even if the 4 count does close bearish here, I think I might call it a day. I mean, you can still get a range one breakout or a fake out back into the range, but I don't know. Might just call it a day. It's only on Monday. Yeah, Tuesday to Friday. Oh, here we go again. Sunday, Monday at trap days. All right, well, chat, I'm gonna hop off. Let's get into that time again. Chat, I'm gonna call that a day here, guys. Yo, I'm gonna call that a day here, and we'll be on tomorrow. All right. Alrighty. So we took that one trade today. Managed risk. Took a loss for 3,500. But that's about it. 22 bips. That's about it for today. All right. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day. These questions are getting ridiculous here. I think it's the best for our mental health if I just hop off. Let's start answering these questions. Chat, have a good day, yo. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys being here today. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be on time. Usually when I'm not on time, it ruins my. Get kind of annoyed. But yeah, my PC was acting up this morning, so hopefully it's fine. I think it's fine though. I think everything is good. It does say I'm dropping frames on the stream, but I don't think you guys notice it on the streams. But something with my PC. All right, chat. Peace out. Catch you guys tomorrow morning, 6:30 a.m. Eastern. All right, maybe Asian tonight. I doubt it though. Quick tonight may do Asian. I don't know. I don't know what's happening with him right now. But hope he's good. But yeah, I'll be on tomorrow morning at 6:30 this time on a dot. All right, peace out. Oh wait, the outro.
I link another one later. I gotta get it together. I'm living my life like a rebel. They try to lock me in a kennel. I beat the case with a simple. Fresh out of court, yeah. Jump in the porch, yeah. Fly through the hood, yeah. Everything good, yeah. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob. Whole lot of mob shit. 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 Whole lot of mob. Whole lot of mob shit. I got these bitches going crazy. I got these bitches going crazy. I walk in the mall, they go crazy. I walk in the mall, they go crazy. Got plaques on the wall, I go crazy. Got plaques on the wall, I go crazy. I got rich and heavy here, baby. I got rich and heavy here, baby. I drop a coupe, you know it's the latest. Selling cocaine, just like the 80s. I caught a body and went on vacation. Sucking my dick, I was on the PlayStation. I ride in the demon, I took off, I'm racing. I ride in the demon, I feel like I'm safe. I fucking these bitches, I fucking these bitches. I gave her some money to put in her savings. I be a Molly and I feel fake. Muhammad Ali, I feel like the grave. This nigga try me and I left him hazy. I fucked in this bitch, but she cannot date me. I gotta get it together. I'm living my life like a rebel. They try to lock me in a kennel. I beat the case with a symbol. Fresh out of court, yeah. Jump in the porch, yeah. Slide through the hood, yeah. Everything good, yeah. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob shit. Whole lot of mob. Whole lot of mob shit. 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 Whole lot of mob. Whole lot of mob shit.
Staring at the candle, feel the pain on me, nigga, it don't matter. Get my currencies change, got my bands up. I'm a top tycoon, that's why they hate me. Till they throw the sheets, tell me I'm going crazy. Got ballistics on my feet, they can't take me. I know ain't gonna be the 6 to unlike 80. I been getting so damn geek, I been praying. I been chinchilla sheet wherever I'm staying. Took that Draco on a PJ, ain't playing. I ain't going no, streets dangerous. Ain't got activists, so fuck it, I had to read it. I sent hitters from everywhere, they had to did it. You know my nigga, they banging the same close spaghetti. I got my transport up and I got my get it. I'm getting a passport stamp, we going steady. They try to cut a nigga throat out with a machete. I know my little brother gon' kick a door and let that lid hit. I'm not imposing, so I'm tryna find an exit. They know it's 1,000 cutters hitting off if they come for me. On no game 27, they gon' gun for me. ABK gon' broad day, you ain't get it done for me. I'm a big dog, they a little son to me. I'm a top tycoon, that's why they hate me. Till they throw the sheets, tell me I'm going crazy. Got ballistics on my feet, they can't take me. I know ain't gon' be the 6 to unlike 80. I been getting so damn geek, I been praying. I been chinchilla sheet wherever I'm staying. Took that Draco on a PJ, ain't playing. I ain't going no, streets dangerous. Fully I don't wanna see, they let you take it. I ain't going no, I'ma spray it. Let my dogs out the leash, you gon' hate it. Twin choppers on me, they my favorite. Yeah. Catch me rolling in a ghost, Patrick Swayze. Traveling all across the coast for this gravy. Buying gold by the pound, I upgraded. I came from La Mexico, a nigga made it. Posted up outside the store, I'm the greatest. If you can make it out the bricks, that's amazing. I got my game from out the 6, ain't no trading. You know the side was too.
Wake up, filthy.
Take my shirt off and now the whole stop breathing. Take my shirt off and now the whole stop breathing. Take my shirt off and now the whole stop breathing. Take my shirt off and now the whole stop breathing.
Breathe, bitch, stop, breathe. Then the bitch not breathe.
the longest pickle ever. I gotta make sure y'all go first. I gotta make sure y'all go before I come back.
Take my shirt off and not a whole stop, breathe. Take my shirt off and not a whole stop, breathe. Take my shirt off and not a whole stop, breathe. Take my shirt off and not a whole stop, breathe.
Bitch, stop, breathe, breathe, breathe. Let the bitch not breathe, breathe, breathe. Bitch, stop, breathe.
Nah, I'm hopping out of chat.